Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia. If you're brand new, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. In this video I wanted to share with you my dollar store haul. It's Dollar Tree and Dollarama, because I am in Canada and we have a dollar store called Dollarama. It is not as good as Dollar Tree in price perspective, I guess. Everything at a Dollar Tree in Canada is $1.25. Dollarama has things ranging from $1 to $4. I think $4 is maximum as far as I know. So you have to be very careful, because some items you can definitely get for $1.25 at Dollar Tree. So it's important that you know your stuff. So I'm going to start with a Dollar Tree. Now, a lot of this stuff is just things that I needed, whether it's for daycare, for household, or for my future DIY projects, or for organization. So it's a little bit of everything. So I had picked up these containers and I have actually used them. You can see how I use them in my major office cleaning and declutter. These are fabulous. They are very easily closed, but they do close well. They're see-through. They can fit small shoes, not my shoes or anybody in my family, but if you have children. And you can put labels, which is what I intend to do. And I am using them to store my stamps, my wooden stamps and my clear stamps. So, but I really like them, and I am considering going and getting some more just to have around the house, because sometimes, you know, they don't get things back. So another thing that is very common for me to purchase at the Dollar Tree is this wreath. I love making wreaths for every season. I keep them in different areas of my house, so I always look for these, because for $1.25 you can't go wrong. I remember one year I needed one and they didn't have any, and because I have double doors, so I needed two, and I had picked up one, but they didn't have any other ones, and then for like weeks they weren't getting them back, and I paid $7.99 with a 50% coupon at Michael's. So it is a big price difference. So, and for somebody like me that likes to make a lot of wreaths, I needed to be affordable. So I picked this one. So that obviously is for the future DIY. And then I had picked another few items for a DIY are the succulents. So I've got this one, and then I've got this one like this, and then got two of these, one like that. Oh, I think this one came apart. And then these. So those are obviously going to be for my future projects. I always find that if I find something at the Dollar Tree that I like, I better buy it right then, because with my dollar stores, you never know. You come back, it's all gone. And then some of these I picked up for DIYs as well. So I got these stencils. They're the self-adhesive stencils. And then as you can see, it is a self-adhesive ones. I don't think I'm going to be able to share this one with you, because it kind of got stuck. I actually used that, which if you haven't seen, yeah, it's gone. So anyways, I used it for this chair, which the DIY went on Tuesday, if you want to see how I upcycled this chair. So anyways, so that was part of this set, and it just said handmade. It was actually a very nice sticker. I might go pick up more just to get the sticker, another one. So, and this one says unique, favorite piece, handmade, love it, something special. And then I got the number stencils. It's a 2-inch number stencil. And I think that's it as far as the stencils go. I picked up several of these cardstocks because I'm going to be making more labels, and these almost look like chalkboard labels, and I have white pen that I'm gonna be writing on, just because I need a lot of them, and this was made more sense than buying the sheet of 4. So I picked that up, and they did. Originally, I would have picked up the stick-on chalkboard sheets, but they didn't have any, and I needed them for this week. So, and then I picked up some glue, and this is just normal white glue for daycare. Now moving on to Dollarama, I had picked up this container because I can't remember who I saw it from, but it's a food safe container, and they had, because like I mentioned, we try to eat clean, so meaning what that means to me, I guess, is we eat a lot of stuff made from scratch, but I'm trying to encourage my children to cook for themselves a little bit more than they already do. And they do like pancakes. Now pancakes is a pretty big process to make for them. It's not for me so much, but and what I was doing is I was making a whole bunch of batches, and then I was freezing them, and then they would just pop them in a toaster. But I thought, well, they should kind of learn how to make them anyways. So, and then I saw a YouTuber write out a recipe on here, and inside she mixed all the dry ingredients. My husband had told me that it's an ingredients even if it's a lot of them, correcting me. But anyway, so that I need to so I'm gonna put the dry ingredients in here, and then I'm gonna write out what ingredients for how much they need, so like a recipe how to mix the dry and wet ingredients. So that's the plan for this one. And then I had bought the packing tape. I love this little thing. This was $2.50. So yeah, so this one at Dollarama was $3, and this one was $2.50, and this is so I can attach my labels. I usually put this even over the stick-on labels because I do find that they fall off. And then here I picked up so I had picked up the Duramax Pro for $3. It's a measuring tape because I needed a new one. And then I picked up a couple journals. I really like these. They're so pretty. And they come with a little page bookmark, and these were $4. And the quality of the pages is pretty good. You've got black pages too in there. All the designs on the page are so pretty, so I really like this. So I picked up 2 of these, and then my husband needed one and he just wanted the plain one, so this one was $3.50. This is actually one I was using, but he really likes it. I wasn't crazy about it, so I found the pages fell out, but he says his didn't. So and then I'm gonna give this a try. I had bought a couple of these USB to lightning cables from Amazon, and none of them were good. But I was looking for a long one. This one is 36 inches, 91 centimeters. So I guess it's almost a meter. It's a bit longer than the ones you get. So give it a try, see how it works. Might not work either, but we'll see. And then I want to make another charging station, maybe the one that will work for in my husband's office upstairs for my kids to charge their phones in, so they're not in their bedrooms, because the one downstairs I don't like anymore. And then I picked up another one of these for myself because I needed one for my charging stuff. So these were $2.50 each. And I just picked up some gum. So that's it. So it was a quick little haul. Lots of different stuff, but I thought I shared with you, and see all the different things you can find at Dollar Tree and Dollarama. So again, thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a wonderful day.